Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about Chedi dynasty. Please go through my playlist, you will find various topics order wise. So you have been given in this topic as Chedi dynasty. You can see they were ruled between 344 BC to 300 BC. So among all those Chedi dynasty kings, King Carvela was the prominent guy. So let us see what exactly has been given in next slides. If you see this, after Maurya's empire, the Chedi dynasty emerged in the Kalinga region, that is in modern Odisha. We knew that the Kalinga war, which was existed in Odisha region itself. The important ruler of this dynasty was King Karvel. So he was the prominent king. He ruled between 344 BC to 300 BC. At the age of 15 to 16 years, he had ruled for near about 9 years of duration. As you can see, the founder of the Chedi dynasty was Maha Megavahan. So he is the prominent king among all the Chedi dynasty, that is King Karvel. But the founder of Chedi dynasty was Maha Megavahan. So you have to remember this. So do not get confused. So he was the founder of Chedi dynasty, that is Maha Megavahan. As you can see this, Meghavan was the father of Karvel as per the two archaeologists, that is D.C. Sarkar and A.K. Mazumdar. They have given that the Meghavan's son is King Karvel. So these are the few constructions, as you can see to the right, how the King Karvel has been constructed. And I request you guys to go through my playlist. You will find near about 800 question papers for various competitive examinations. So as you can see that Karvel patronized Jainism, and the Hathi Gumpa inscriptions gives a reference of his victories. As you can see to the right, how exactly the Hathi Gumpa constructions looks like, and as per that, whatever the victories he had, the whole list was inscribed inside the Hathi Gumpa. The primary source of Karvel, capital of Odisha, is his rock cut, that is Hathi Gumpa, which is located near to Udaigiri hills. So you should remember the hills near to the Hathi Gumpa, they are Udaigiri hills. If you go inside that, you don't even see a lighting inside. So such a darker caves exist. The King Karvela constructed the temple of Bhubaneswar. He has constructed various temples in Bhubaneswar, and Karvela adopted the religion, that is Jain. Post Ashoka's decline, the Kalinga, that is Chedi dynasty, started rising. So Kalinga is famous for what? This place is famous for the elephants. The capital of Chedi dynasty, that is Shishupalgarh. As you can see to the right, how exactly the Shishupalgarh looks like. Kaling Naresh Karvela is related to this Chedi dynasty itself. As you can see, King Karvela won southern region over Pandyas. So he fought against Pandyas and won in the southern region. Mahavijay Prasad was constructed on the river Prachi. And there was river Prachi. Mahavijay Prasad, he was constructed on this river Prachi, and Karvel was the third ruler of Kalinga. You should remember. So he was the third ruler among all the rulers. He was a third ruler and prominent ruler. The total number of caves were built in Udaigiri. There were near about 19 caves have been constructed by King Karvel. And Rani Gumfa was built in Udaigiri. As I had already discussed, he had built Rani Gumpa caves near to Udaigiri hills. I request you guys to go through my playlist. You will find 2100 questions of PDF of GK and GS. If you want this PDF of GK and GS, you will be sent by WhatsApp. You can call me on 7666 730 252 or message me by WhatsApp, or you can go through my Telegram where you will find the PDF of GK and GS. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.